Now, let us discuss about what is P class problem, NP class problem, NP complete problem, and NP hard problem. Generally, the problems are classified into two types based on the time complexity. The first one is P class problems, whereas the second group is NP class problems. First, let's see about what is a P class problem. Problems that can be solved in polynomial time is called as P class problem. So here P stands for polynomial time. So polynomial means n power something, n power 1, n square, n cube, n power 4, n power 0, n power something is nothing but polynomial time. The main advantage of P class problem is the problem can be solved quickly. The best examples for the P class problems are, the first one is binary search. We know the time complexity of the binary search, that is order of log n. Order of log n can be written as n power 0 into order of log n. So this we can write this as n power 0 into order of log n. So n power 0 is nothing but 1. So 1 into order of log n is nothing but order of log n. So n power something is nothing but polynomial time. Okay. Next, bubble sort. The time complexity is order of n square. So n power something is nothing but polynomial time. Merge sort. Order of n log n. N log n can be written as n power 1 log n. So n power 1 is nothing but polynomial time. Next, let's see about what is a NP class problem. Problems that can be solved in non-polynomial time. So here NP stands for non-polynomial time. So here NP class problems will take more time. So all these problems or algorithms that comes under NP class will takes long time. So in order to solve that problem, more time is required. Next, the best examples are knapsack problem. So here non-polynomial means exponential time, 2 power something. Likewise, order of, if you take knapsack problem, the time complexity is order of 2 power n by 2. So this is nothing but exponential time, non-polynomial time. So 2 power something is nothing but non-polynomial time, exponential time. And one more example is traveling salesperson problem. The time complexity is order of n square into 2 power n. So 2 power something is nothing but non-polynomial time. Non-polynomial time means exponential time. Now, NP class problems are classified into two types. The first one is NP complete problem. The second one is NP hard problem. Now let's see what is NP complete and what is NP hard. NP complete problem. NP complete has the property that it can be solved in polynomial time if and only if all other NP complete problems can be solved in polynomial time. So what is NP complete problem? If a problem is solved in polynomial time, then we can say that all other NP complete problems can also be solved in polynomial time. That is about what is NP complete. IFF means if and only if. Now let's see what is NP hard. If an NP hard problem can be solved in polynomial time, then all other NP complete problems can be solved in polynomial time. So that is the definition for NP hard problem. So if an NP hard problem is solved in polynomial time, then we can say that all other NP complete problems can be solved in polynomial time. So we can say that all NP complete problems are NP hard. All NP complete problems are NP hard. But some NP hard problems are not NP complete. But some NP hard problems are not NP complete. So this is about what is P class, NP complete and NP hard problem. In the remaining videos, in the next videos, we will see in detail about all these topics.